All right, first round of sealers going on the body. Everything's all been taped up, and here we go. The push is on. There'll be several hours of paint time here in the spray booth for Matt, and the end result is this will all be in red. We'll be here to just document this process and watch it as we go through the sealer, and then into base and then clear. The products that we use here are PPG, and we shoot the highest quality clear in the industry, and we're either using DBC or DBU product, but the clear that we're using is really instrumental in a fine restoration such as this, so it'll be nice to see.